Can you see who said your Snapchat story? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Masnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how and if you can see who has shared your story on Snapchat. Well, basically if you just open Snapchat, you should get an face like this. Simply tap on the two-person icon at the bottom of your screen, basically at the bottom right, that you can see beside the play icon there. If you tap on this here, you'll be able to see your friend's story. If you just tap on the particular story, and if you tap on that particular icon that you can see at the bottom right corner, the arrow icon, if you tap on it, you'll be able to share it to your friends. You can send it to them, right? However, if you want to see your story, if you just head into your profile, and here on profile, if you tap on the eye icon there along with your story, you can see my story. It can be your public story or it can be your story. If you tap on eye icon there and then tap on eye icon again here, you can see currently I have no views, but here you'll be able to see who has viewed your story, who has screenshotted your story, and who has replied to your story. But unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't show you who has shared your story, so you won't be able to see it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.